Morning, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch, the first day of our planet 2023, January 1st. You may have recalled I've mentioned a few times, the last time a few days ago, that periodically we have some ocean buoys at about 4 locations that will go into motion in the absence of earthquakes. These locations being the Andaman Sea, off the northwest coast of Australia, Timor Sea into the Indian Ocean. Rarely the Gulf of Mexico, and in the case of today, this one is common, off the coast of New York. And again, no seismic activity today. Our height is not dramatic, it's only about 1 meter. Obviously showing some uplift from the ocean floor. So sometimes the station off of New York and the other one off of Nova Scotia. These three do not normally go into motion as the thickness of the crust increases as it steps up into the continental plate. Now, I've shown this before. What we have in between these two stations is this line of undersea mounts, volcanoes, between New York and Nova Scotia. Obviously suggesting that we have an active mantle plume or one of its branches or arms exerting pressure through the lithosphere to the underside of the crust, pushing it up. Again, common for me to find anyway. Now, this looks like a gentle uplift because when I pull up the USGS heliplots, which are the global seismic stations, below our feet it is actually surprisingly quite calm. Let's assume that this government agency is being truthful and there's no tomfoolery happening. And again, these are seismogram stations from around the world, indicating very, very minimal seismic activity below our feet. We have had a series of deep earthquakes below Fiji, 5.4s at 600 kilometers deep, as well as some deep activity at the Kuril Islands region to start off our new year. Our total count is 833 for the last 72 hours, so the numbers of earthquakes are in decline, but again, it's not the decline that I look for. It is the ones in diverse places starting up. That's it for this morning, folks. I'll check in with you later.